Hello everyone, you are welcome to today's class, and in today's episode I am going to share with you some basic sewing tools you need as a beginner. Let's get started. So these are the sewing items. I think they are very basic and you need them so that you'll be able to start your sewing journey. And the first most important thing is tape measure. So from taking measurements of your client to transferring the measurements on your fabric, you need a tape measure. Tape measure is very essential. It makes sure that you are able to measure everything correctly. Now next is scissors. You need scissors. Okay, you need about 2 to 3 scissors. So I have my fabric scissors, and these scissors are mainly used to cut fabrics and fabrics only. Okay, then I have paper scissors. For my drafting purposes, I use this paper scissors to cut all my papers. Then I have pinking shears, this zigzag scissors. And so when I started sewing, I used to use it to knitting my fabric, my dresses, sorry, instead of taking it to a knitting shop. So that is that on scissors. Okay, next on the list is pins and magnets or pin cushion to hold your pins. You need pins, and for beginners I recommend this colorful ball pins. Okay, so that when you put it in the fabric or in the dress, you'll be able to identify it and take it out when you are done sewing before it pricks you or pricks client. Okay, so get your pins and get your magnet. So the next item is thread. Okay, you need thread to sew your dress or whatever project you want to sew. Okay, so get thread in brown, in black or blue black. Okay, yes, so that you'll be able to sew. The next thing we will talk about is chalk. Okay, you need chalks or markers, and the first chalk I show this is heat erasable chalk, and I don't recommend it for beginners. Okay, I rather recommend this set of chalks, yes, that stays in the fabric after marking, so that you'll be able to see where you are supposed to sew. Okay, as time goes on and you master the craft, you can get heat erasable chalks. Next on the list is seam ripper. You need a seam ripper because by all means you are going to make a mistake and you would have to lose it and restitch it. So you need a seam ripper. Don't use blade or iron. Next on the list is iron. You need iron. Okay, so ironing is part of sewing. You must learn how to iron. Okay, iron will help you turn that tattered stitches to a very neat stitch. Okay, it will help you achieve a very neat and beautiful finishing. Ironing is part of sewing, so embrace it and you are going to love it. And you don't need to get any industrial ironing for now. You can just use the one you use to iron your dresses at home and you are good to go. Okay, next on the list is rulers. You need to get rulers, especially a 1 meter rule and an armhole curve and a French curve. You need to get these 3 rulers, and as well you need to get a hip curve. Okay, you really need these rulers to help you get very straight marking. You also need a tracing wheel to help you transfer your points and your markings. Then lastly, you need sewing machine. Okay, so with sewing machine I have a video on which sewing machine is suitable for beginners. Thank you for staying tuned. Remember, this is part of our beginners course and it is free, so subscribe to my channel and keep following. If you have any question, just drop it in the comment section. I love you all. Bye.